Hello everyone, get ready for the March 2025 intake, your ultimate guide for securing a scholarship right here in China. So, before we continue with this video, I want you to hit the like button and tap on the subscribe button to get more content and videos just like this for you. So, today my job is simple, which is to bring you this exciting news that the March 2025 intake applications are officially open in October. So I want you to know that I am here so that you make the best opportunity of this video and this chance. So did you know that for March intake, universities offer 1 semester of the Chinese language program? This is the best way and a very good way to ensure that you work on your Chinese language skills for future applications for the desired major that you want. But if you are thinking long term, Chinese universities also offer a scholarship system called the 0.5 plus 4 scholarship system. This one enables you to study for Chinese language for one whole semester and then continue with your desired degree at the very same institution in the next semester. So I would like you to note that when you are on the 0.5 plus 4 scholarship, it is very difficult for you to switch schools after studying your Chinese language. So you ought to choose very wisely even before applying. However, if you want to have the luxury of choosing to pursue your studies in another university other than the one where you pursued your language studies for 1 semester, it is advisable that you apply for the language scholarship programs only and not apply for the 0.5 plus 4 scholarships, because this gives you total control over where next you ought to pursue your studies. So get ready for applications that are open this October, and this is your first step in taking for you to enjoy the experience in life and education in China. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and tap on the subscribe button, and ensure that you share these videos with friends and families and those who are aspiring to come and study in China.